Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to cook lemon chicken and potatoes. This is a delicious dish. For the herbs and spices you will need 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Trust me, I know I put cinnamon in a lot of stuff but it works. And you will also need 6 drumsticks and 6 thighs. You can use a whole chicken cut into pieces if you want. Then 1 kilogram of new potatoes. These are Charlotte potatoes and I've cut them in half. You can use bigger potatoes, just cut them into small pieces and rearrange them in the pan. Then whisk together the juice of 1.5 lemons and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Pour that over the chicken and potatoes and mix the spices together and pour that over the chicken and potatoes also. Then give everything a good mix together with your hands. Make sure all the chicken's coated, don't leave anything uncoated. Now I have 160 grams of Halkidiki olives that are stuffed with garlic. That's why I didn't add garlic to the dish separately, because they're in the olives. Scatter them around the dish. The olives give it an amazing taste and you won't regret using them. Then add about 1/4 cup of water around the dish. Then cook this at 180°C fan for 50 minutes. For the last 10 minutes turn it up to 200 just so it can brown off nicely. And this is the end result. Beautifully golden crisp chicken. The potatoes taste amazing and the olives just add that extra something to the dish. Serve this with salad, tzatziki, bread, especially bread to mop up any of the juices. Enjoy and I'll see you next time.